Hello guys, welcome back to iOS Pro Hacker. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix an iPhone if it gets stuck on the recovery mode screen, or if it gets stuck on a black screen, the Apple logo, a reboot loop, or some other iOS system issue where the phone is not starting properly. A lot of people panic when this happens, especially when they suddenly see that screen with the cable and computer icon, and they think their iPhone is dead or that all their data is gone. But don't worry at all, because this problem is actually repairable. So now let's move to the computer because it can't be fixed without the computer. First, open the Tenorshare ReiBoot website. I've placed the link in the video description. From there, download the software for your computer, whether you are using Windows or Mac. Once the download is complete, install it like any normal program. After installation, launch Tenorshare ReiBoot. Now once the software opens, connect your iPhone to the computer using your USB cable. If your iPhone is stuck on the screen with the cable and computer icon or stuck in recovery mode, just connect it in that condition. Once ReiBoot detects the device, the first thing I'm going to try is exit recovery mode. This is useful when the iPhone is specifically stuck in recovery mode and just needs to boot back normally. So it's a one-click free feature to enter or exit recovery mode and states that exiting recovery mode this way does not erase data. So here I simply click on Exit Recovery Mode. Then the software starts the process. Within a short time, the iPhone should reboot normally if the issue is minor and limited to recovery mode only. So this is how you can exit recovery mode. Now if your iPhone exits recovery mode successfully, then that's great. Your issue is solved in the easiest possible way. But sometimes the device does not recover properly from that step, or it goes back into the same problem, or it is stuck on some deeper system issue like black screen, Apple logo, or BootLoop. In that case, we move to the next method, which is iOS system repair. So now I'm going to choose Start Repair. And here the important option is Standard Repair. This is the one I recommend first. Standard Repair is meant to fix common iOS system problems without data loss. Now, once I select Standard Repair, the software prepares the device for repair. At this point, depending on the phone's condition, the software may guide you through the necessary process automatically, and then it will ask to download the correct firmware package for your iPhone. So now I click Download to get the required firmware. This step may take a little time depending on your internet speed, so just be patient here. Once the firmware download is complete, I can start the repair. So now I click the button to begin repairing the iPhone. At this stage, the software starts fixing the iOS system. Your iPhone may restart during the process, and that is completely normal. Just keep everything connected and wait for the repair to finish. And again, the important thing here is that standard repair is the method intended to fix many stuck issues without deleting your personal data. Alright, now the repair process is complete. At this point, the iPhone should boot back normally. If the issue was caused by a software glitch, recovery mode loop, stuck restore screen, Apple logo freeze, black screen issue, or a similar iOS system problem, this method can often bring the phone back to normal working condition. So guys, that is how you can fix an iPhone stuck in recovery mode or other common iOS stuck issues using Tenorshare ReiBoot. I hope this tutorial helps you out. If you found this video useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and if you want more iPhone repair tutorials, iOS fixes, and step-by-step guides, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.